Hey, I'm Rachel and Ngom from she'smakingimpact.com, and today let's talk about how you can generate and maintain niche traffic. The best way you can do this is with Pinterest. Pinterest is amazing, and why it's amazing is because it's a search engine and it's not just a social media platform. So what you can do is get into the head of your ideal client and figure out what they're searching for. So when they search for it, you can show up at the top of Pinterest and then get that person to your website. So some examples, I'll share some examples from my own business. In my fitness business that I'm no longer running, but it's still working because of Pinterest and Google, which is so cool, is I use the search term intermittent fasting for women. So I use this in my pin description and on my bio, like everywhere on Pinterest. So when someone searches intermittent fasting for women, they find me. Another one that I was using was keto diet for women or something like that. That's very niche specific. And so that was who I was trying to target and attract. In this business, I might use a keyword like how to get more leads or Pinterest marketing for beginners or online marketing tips or blogging tips for beginners or something like that. So I just want you to think long tail keywords, more than one word, getting niche specific. So instead of just fitness, intermittent fasting for women, instead of just marketing or business, Pinterest marketing tips or Pinterest marketing strategies. So get niche specific in your keywords, and that's really going to help you get your ideal client to your website. So Pinterest is amazing. You need to start using it like immediately. So make sure you sign up for my free Pinterest masterclass. Go to freepinterestclass.com and I'll talk to you later. Bye.